Hello guys, it's our new video, and today we're going to speak about Rust, about macros for language extension. It's possible to extend the Rust language using their procedural macro mechanism. Procedural macros use Rust functions that are compiled before other components to run and modify the compiler's input token stream. This complements the declarative macro mechanism, also known as macros by example, which uses pattern matching to achieve similar goals. Procedural macros come in three flavors: function-like macros, derived macros, attribute macros. The printin macros is an example of a function-like macros and is commonly used library for generating code and reading data in many formats such as JSON. Attribute macros are commonly used for language bindings such as the Exceder library for Rust blendings tour. The following code is of the serialize and debug derived procedural macros to implement JSON reading and writing as well as the ability to format the structure of debugging. Interface C and C++. Rust has a foreign function interface that can be used both to call code written in languages such as C from Rust and to call Rust code from those languages. Rust also has a library, CXX, for calling to or from C++. Components. Besides the compiler and standard library, the Rust ecosystem includes additional components for software development. Components installation is typically managed by Rust app and Rust toolchain installer developer. Rust FMT. Rust FMT is a code formatter for Rust. It takes Rust source code as input and changes the white space in and indentation to produce code formatted in accordance to the Rust style guide of rules specified in Rust tool file. Rust's mft can be invoked as a standalone program or on a Rust project through Cargo. Clip. Clip is Rust's built-in engineering tool to improve the correctness, performance and readability of Rust code. It was created in 2014 and named after the eponymous Microsoft Office feature. As of 2021, Clippy has more than 450 rules, which can be browsed online and filtered by category. Some rules are disabled by default. Versioning system. Following Rust 1.0, new features are developed in nightly versions which release on a daily basis. During each release cycle of 6 weeks, changes on nightly version are released to beta, while changes from the previous beta version are released to a new stable version. Every 3 years a new edition is produced. Editions are released to provide an easy reference point for changes due to the frequent nature of Rust's rain release schedule, and to provide a window to make limited breaking changes. Editions are largely compatible, and migration to a new edition is trivialized with automated tooling. That was all I wanted to tell you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, bye bye.